His little thing.
Oh, Daniel Boone! His favorite thing is these bushes. Get in the ditch!
Look at him.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a dog pot.
Oh, Daniel Boone's. Oh, he hears it.
Find a bird.
Get him, Daniel Boone, get him.
Which bird?
Get the bird. You got it? There she
The ride home
goes.
isn't like the ride here. I bet they're laid out. So I think
Aww. Oh yeah. Missed it.
the dog out there going.
Oh, the dog will go. Oh, nice shooting! Is that yours?
This is the last year's bird.
6 months and about 3 weeks. We got
hunt.
Yes, they can.
Oh my God, the bird's up and the dog's going and the
Boone's on the
shot's
run.
up.
Right here, 18th, 2014. Jenny ran that bird down. Bird steps. If that makes any sense. Jenny's for sure.
That's enough, baby. That's
No,
enough.
no, I want a picture. I want a picture.
Just eat it, Dad, and chomp on it a little bit.
She'll get to eat some of it tonight.
You need to drink the water.
Underneath the wings.
I love.
Jenny, no.
So what do you think of your Well, we just missed 2. We had 4 dogs and they were
How old is Daniel Boone?
6. He's like a kangaroo. He's a good boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Yeah. Cute as that. Look at their little reflections.
Yeah, not shadows, reflection.
I love that. Blonskij. Oh yeah, you got it all going on.
Really?
For somebody who's
You gotta be really focused. I'm focused.
Oh shoot. Jenny, you're skinny. Get in there. Danny Boone couldn't get in there.
Get a girl, get in there.
He's gonna swim in.
Demeanor changes too. Yeah, his demeanor changes. Ready? Ready? Ready?
All you ladies sit here with the birds.
We shot 4, John did, and 2 got up real fast. We missed. He was yakking.
I think Jenny got
Some
2.
birds.
Heavy, aren't they?
I know, huh? Here it comes. Catch it.
Jenny, well, Jenny's not. It was all a good day. The end. Now we're gonna take these in and go get them cleaned. Ready?